Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back.
I have another task for you. Details forthcoming.
Come on, man, I don't want any tasks at the moment. Oh, there are curveballs. Okay.
Do you folks mind helping us out?
No. No, definitely no. Madison, shut up. No, we're not helping anybody. Not today, not now. So let's see, we can upgrade the ammo outpost. One of the ammo outposts, that's good. Well, let's go ahead and do that. I think, yeah, so we have the materials, we have the influence points for that. And let's see, what else? Let me upgrade this. We don't need to. Yeah, we're gonna try to find some ammo. Do we get our shipment already? I think we did. It's morning time. Maybe around like 10 a.m. or something like that. So yeah, we probably got the shipment from the 6 a.m. Alright, so can we like, look for some ammo? That's awesome. Let's go ahead and...
Someone get on the radio and do some recon?
That's right. Yeah, let's do some recon. We're gonna go ahead...
We will handle the situation for you.
And find some ammo, but before that, actually, we gotta give some... give Madison some rest here. So she's been very, very tired, exhausted almost. Alright, here we go, Dante. So your mission for today will be to get that ammo rucksack. You know, find those ammo rucksacks. Let's see, we're all done here, I think. Let's get some painkillers, some bandages. We're gonna give some of that cure. Got grenades. Alright, you know, get all the grenades. That's awesome. Smoke grenades. Yeah, I get some as well. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, let's go ahead and try to find where that ammo is. Oh my god, come on, man. Don't make me go back to the base. But I guess that's what we're doing. Alright, man, this ammo situation is still a problem that we couldn't solve. And look at all these guys here. Well, we're gonna go ahead and find that ammo rucksacks. And then get some ammo. And then go down there and relentlessly continue our assault against those play cards. Let's go. Alright, gotta do some repairs now. Looking good. Let's go.
Listeners, please welcome a very special voice joining our network. Recently escaped from a Red Talent work camp. This is Camilla Baez. Welcome, Cammy.
Thank you, Twain. You should know the network's broadcast kept a lot of us in the camps going. Your voices gave us the strength to resist, a goal to move toward. I'm proud to finally be a part of the network.
Alright, so this Cammy Baez lady got rescued somehow from a Red Talon work camp. That's interesting. Some interesting background story. But here we are. We're gonna look for some ammo. Here, what's up, boys? Alright, let's just park here. Let's get in. Oh.
This place looks chock full of nothing.
What is this, though?
I like that.
Yeah, you like that, huh?
Maybe I better go check out that noise.
Alright, what is this? Come on, man.
Hey, all clear. Hell yeah. Yo,
alright.
way back.
Here we go. We're gonna go back home now. And get some ammo. And then come down to those play cards. Let's go. Alright, gotta fuel up here.
No room.
Alright, so we got fuel. Let's see, we're gonna need some fuel for this car. And then we don't have any more fuel. Dante, do you think that's a problem? That might be just a little bit of a problem. Yeah, we really do not have fuel. Oh my god.
All these unhappy people are gonna start taking matters into their own hands.
Well, who's happy now? Oh, not happy. Okay, of course, obviously. Alright, but yeah, they're kind of okay now. Let me see. No fuel. That means end of the show, but you know, we're gonna try to get some fuel, essentially. Should we? Of course, why not? Alright, you know what, we're gonna go ahead, while we have the time for that, and
Yo, look,
essentially...
someone needs to send out for some scavenging advice.
Yes, of course. Give us some scavenging advice.
I've got people working on your request right now.
Alright, looking good. Awesome, so Dante has a lot of ammo. That's awesome, almost 1,800. And we're gonna go get some fuel for the vehicle. And then head down south. Alright, so we couldn't find a fuel here, but we got a food rucksack. And then that'll be it. I'm gonna go over to those houses over there. Let's go. Oh, what's going on here, man? We got ourselves into some kind of a mess. Alright, what in the world? Oh yeah, that's beautiful. I'm gonna take that. Wait, hold on. I'll get the door. Come on, man. Oh, where are my grenades?
Okay, running on empty.
All right, so we couldn't find the fuel rucksack though.
Not enough pockets for that.
All right, we gotta keep searching. Where's the car? Or what is this? Or somehow we can't execute this guy. Alright, I've been here for minutes now trying to find this last piece of container. Well, you know, I mean, can't find it. Oh yeah, beautiful.
Success.
Finally. Alright, so we got our fuel. And we also don't have to go back to the base. Because we have a gas can as well. So we're gonna just fuel up and get out of here. That is a wandering trader. That is awesome. I like wandering traders. Let's go and find out what he's asking for, because we got so much stuff that we can sell. Maybe they have some ammo, rucksacks, I'm not sure. Looking good, let's go. Alright, here we go. Let's see what this guy has.
Hey there.
Hey, what up, bro?
Later.
Wait. Let me close the door real quick.
What's up?
Alright, so what do you got?
Want to trade?
What is this? Man, you got nothing, man. What is this? What are you talking about? Where are the rucksacks? Oh my god. Yeah, some weird stuff, man. Alright, so this scent block. I know this stuff. Dose of ZI grants night vision, increased ability to detect nearby zombies. Damn. Okay. That's good stuff. Never, like, didn't use it that much, though. Okay. Anyway, I mean, you know, this guy doesn't have stuff, like, have anything that we can use, essentially. Like, can we sell you stuff? You know, we're just gonna sell you some stuff. Alright, so we're all done here. we gave him some ammo as well, so we saw some ammo as well. But that'll be fine. That'll be alright. So let's go down there. And then, you know, start... continue our work with the play cards. And securing the outpost. Finally, this time we can also, again, with Dante, we can get another play card down. Let's go. Alright, so let's do some repairs here. What am I doing? And we're going to do some... Well, let's see if we can send these rucksacks home. Because we're going to need that fuel too. Alright, and then we'll head out. Beautiful rucksack delivered. Let's get some gas cans. And we're out of fuel again. Alright, so let's see. We got 3 ammo outposts that are level 2. But we don't have any more ammo at the moment. So we only have about like maybe 1,200. I think that'll get us at least 1 play card maybe. I'm not sure. Man, how do I manage to get myself stuck like this? Alright, but the good thing is it's almost evening time. So we're going to get another shipment here in about like 2 hours maybe. And then we'll come back and then rearm and resupply. Then go back down again. Get another one of those play cards. Alright, well, we just got our shipment. But anyway. So, let's see. We're going to park here somewhere. Beautiful, looking good. And smoke grenades. We got everything. Beautiful. Not a lot of painkillers. But that's alright, I guess. Let's go. Alright, so we're dealing with a horde here. We're gonna make our way. I mean, yeah, anyone, like any one of these play cards works basically. We'll just get started with the one that is here. Alright, get some grenades, boys. Yo, come on, man. What happened?
My eyes are burning.
Alright, so here we go. Now we're kind of down to 800 rounds only, though. Why don't you get some grenades? Alright, beautiful. I like this place. Kind of protected. Oh, man. No, it's not protected at all. Oh my god, beautiful. Alright, so we're having an ammo situation here again. You might want to think about getting out of here. Now we can also get some grenades. We don't have a lot of grenades at the moment.
Not now.
What is this? Oh, we got a big boy coming at us. Let him come, let him come.
I should reload.
Alright, for some reason this UI got bugged.
Take the headshot.
Alright, so ammo down to critical levels. Oh, come on. What am I doing? What am I doing? Alright, let me go. Let me go.
I should reload.
Alright, yeah, you know what? Time to go back. Time to go back. Whew. Alright, so where's my cart?
Time to reload.
3 more mags and then we're out. Pretty banged up here as well. Alright, let's get out of here. Screw you, zombies. We'll come back. Alright, so the car is about to get wrecked. What is this now happening? Elevated senses. Beautiful. Exactly what we want at this moment. So basically they track us from a further distance, essentially a farther distance, I think, right? So their hearing is improved, their vision is improved, probably. What? Alright, let's see. Draining fuel from what? They're draining fuel from gas stations? Well, I mean, we don't even have fuel anyway. But okay, yeah, we'll deal with that. I mean, this kind of problem just happened. What is this, man? Alright. Alright, so we're gonna rearm and then refuel here. What is this doing? Increase fire and explosive resistance. Plague zombies explode when killed. Zombies catch fire from attacks. Now, I mean, we gotta go and basically, like, take care of this plague card now. I mean, unless we do, that'll, you know, basically, like, make everything harder, essentially. Because they explode when killed. Okay, I see. I mean, 2 curveballs happened at the same time. This is beautiful. This is awesome. Alright, but you know what? I really don't like this UI getting bugged like this. So we're just gonna, you know, go back to the main menu just a little bit. And then come back and see if that kind of fixes it. Or maybe, you know what, we can call this one, you know, yeah, call it a day for now. Oh, wait, no, hold on. The UI is fixed, I think. But we can't see the condition for the car. No, I mean, no, that's the condition, but not the fuel. Alright, anyway, so yeah, you know, kind of getting late around here. People are sleeping. So, you know, we'll just say, like, this is it for this one. And, well, once we come back, we're gonna probably go here, but I'm not sure. We're gonna go back to these guys. And then see if, like, you know, it is incredibly difficult. Dude, this is just increasing. What in the world is going on? I mean, do they, like, multiply or what? There was 5 in the beginning. Then now, then it was 6. Now it's 8. I think, but like they probably appear as we explore them, right? I hope I don't have a mod that basically, like, just makes them multiply like this. So anyway, alright, so, yeah, thanks for watching, and, see you in the next one. Peace.